Hello everyone, welcome to today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 5th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper three regular puzzles. The first one is a binary, the second one a medium Sudoku, and the third regular puzzle is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And today, news of the day. Well, it's day number 224. War day number 224. 224 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Yes, everything. The life is changing. Yes. Okay, let me go back to the puzzles, because in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. And the final one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me, and that's not my job. No. And we have also these 3 puzzles. These 3 puzzles, regular puzzles. So if I do those 10 puzzles, then wow, it's too much, overwhelming. All right. The first puzzle I will do is a binary puzzle. The binary puzzle number 5276. 5276. Let me mark this. 5276. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Then double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. Double 1, here no, there no. Then we have a double, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 5 ones we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And then now I need to look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 3 O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. This one is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow. No comparing this one. Last time or last week we have a puzzle with a lot of comparing by 10 by 10. Yeah. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. If you enjoyed this puzzle, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. The Killer Sudoku and the Medium Sudoku. Regular puzzles. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.